Hi, welcome to campus. Stedman Hall's right behind me, and we're excited about the next 5 months on campus. We're starting to see the fruition of our last 12 months of construction planning, and we're extremely excited to have a new entrance on the west side of campus that will open up west towards the conservatory. This will be a new foyer for the building, which will open up into lots of windows on the science learning. As we walk through the building, there are 4 floors in the building of Stedman Hall, as most of you remember. That's not changing. On the first floor, we're going to see a museum active learning space, which many of the artifacts from T. Barry Smith will be moving over. We're excited to be able to have that on display. As we move up to the second floor, this is our main foyer floor. Again, with our new exciting entrance from the west side, we have open study rooms that students will be able to use most hours of the day. Also on this floor, we're excited to have our biology labs. Greg Thurman has great plans for our second floor labs. We have an elevator, yay! new thing in the building for accessibility that will go to all 4 floors, allowing access into Stedman 200, as well as all the classrooms and laboratories on all the floors. As we move up to the 3rd floor, I call this the faculty floor. All of our faculty offices will be on the 3rd floor, along with some general classrooms that will have use across campus. As we move up to the 4th floor, this is the laboratory, the fume hood floor. Most of our labs that require fume hoods are on the floor for obvious ventilation reasons. Tiger and crew are real excited about the space and the storage, the research capabilities. Most labs will have a separate storage research room off of the science labs, which most of our faculty developed and laid out how they want it to be. The biggest question I'm getting these days is, when do we get to move in? I'm happy to report we are on schedule with a July 1st completion date. That means that the month of July we will be moving back our faculty and setting up our offices so that when we hit August 1st, we're ready to roll for school, and we're real excited that, knock on wood, that everything's progressing right now as it should be.